All right, guys, welcome back to number 9. I got a present in the mail. My boss has always been really good to me this year, buying me some gadgets and gadgets. I'm usually the gadget guy, but we found this tapener gun. Our entire life, I never knew this existed. I've been tying all these plants all these years by hand, and we bought this from Berry Hill Plastics. It's about $75 somewhere.
Yeah, 78, I think.
And I've got 24 rolls of the plastic that goes in there. We had already used the plastic, extra staples, and some extra blades. So we're going to take it out, and we're going to see just how easy this is to use. Straight out of the box. We will save those in case something else. All right.
Brrr.
Drum roll, please. You open this. Open this. Okay. So you put the roll of tape in here. Okay. Feed that through. Close that. Close that. That snapped. And now, it's my understanding is you feed this underneath like that. And since I didn't do it right, which is not uncommon, is it, boss?
What did you not do right?
I could have rolled that back in. All right, so that's out of the way. All right, so now we're going to put the staples in, which are down here somewhere. Well, I said we used the directions if we couldn't figure it out. All right. Uh-huh. There we go. Me and my genius. Oh, I see. Okay, so there. Pull that back. I ordered extra staples just in case. So basically, as you can see, it snaps into place in the back. Pull it back. And I didn't look at any directions or anything. Just took it straight out of the box. And I'm going to try to figure it out.
Oh, they're tiny.
They are tiny. No wonder. Okay, so the directions say put it in just like that, up with the teeth facing up. All right, now snap it in. All right. They are tiny. And you feed it some tape, okay?
Oh boy.
Oh boy, so let's find something out here. I think maybe we can find something to tape. All right, here's a pepper that you can see that I've been doing it the old-fashioned way. So let's, there you go. Look at, oh, that was so fun. Let's do it again. Look at that. I guess you have to feed it every time. I love this. All right, so let's find something else.
Oh, well, duh.
All right, so it looks like, guys, look.
Can't you just see?
Yeah, well, it looks like every time after you cut it, you have to get it to feed itself. Maybe, maybe not. What have I done? I'm sure it's me. Too excited. Of course, it's always me. I may not even have loaded it right.
Well, that's why they send the directions.
I said we used directions if I couldn't get everything else to work. I think the tape is, that's what it was, the tape was stuck. It had like a little weird staple in it. Right, so there we go. So basically every time you do it, you have to feed that. And let's see, here's a little, That was too stiff.
Bruce, this one here laying on the ground that I didn't want to cut.
Okay. And then go back, grab the tape again. It'll take some practice, guys. It's like a new toy to us. So.
I want y'all to see these German Johnsons.
Oh, I know, they're incredible.
Bam. And I want y'all to know, and this is...
She is the gardener, I am the laborer.
And this right here is Cherokee Purple. But I tell you right now, these cucumbers, I've already gotten 30 some pounds off of one little pass, and I still got to come back today and do some more. Okay, so
let's see how. Yeah, the tape seems to be sticking a little bit, so it does have its little bugs. I guess the
well, maybe you should look at the directions since you're having
well, it's just
slight issues.
Well, it's just like everything else. It's just exciting to have something new that might actually make your life a little easier out here. So that's all. All right.
That one didn't work.
Yeah, it was kind of big. I guess it's made for little smaller plants. So,
Grapevines.
Yeah, grapevines. All right, so here.
Oh yeah. So these right here are old tobacco stakes that we use for the staking, and those right there are red Marconi right here all over, and you can see they're loaded. And look at this plant.
That's what it is. The tape is sticking a little bit in that thing.
All right, guys. Well, now you get the gist of it. So
there it is, the Max HT-R2. It's like everything else. You just have to mess with it a little bit. And these plants are obviously a little big, but I'm going to mess with it some more and maybe read the instructions as a last-ditch effort. So if you have any questions or anything or comments, it was Berry Hill Plastics. Great shipping.
Right out of Virginia.
Right out of Virginia. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks.